Hello viewers, I'm Dan Locke and this is my latest bike build, Leader 725 frame, aluminium, nice. Okay, let's start up here. We got a charged bucket saddle, Prolly special edition, Thompson Elite seat post. I've had this on most of my bikes. It's pretty cool. Down the top tube, got some deader stem, just cheap. Thought I'd get off eBay. Some cheap System X bars, integrated VP headset, some Guess carbon forks. Here we got some wheels. We got Halo 38 caliber rims with some Grand Comp hubs. Nice. Some tyre, which I don't even know what it is. Hutchinson tyre. Here we got some Colt BMX pedals because I've got quite big feet and it's comfy for me. Got some big top straps, custom denim on the top, nice. Some Miche Primato 48 tooth cranks from Mr. Max Barrow, which I'll give back, and some cheap KMC cool chain, just a KMC chain, sorry, some cheap chain, some Bodge spoke hard, Halo, another Halo rim and Grand Comp hub with some Halo bits in there, some kind of, I can't remember how many teeth was on there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and like a Continental Ultra Sport tyre. I think that's it. Leave your hate comments below and thanks for watching.